Vivo is back, and this time, they've redefined what a flagship smartphone can be. Meet the Vivo X200 Ultra, a beast loaded with cutting-edge camera hardware, a brilliant QHD Plus display, the mighty Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, and features that push the boundaries of innovation. With a 200MP telephoto lens, IP69 rating, and even satellite communication, the X200 Ultra isn't just aiming high, it's aiming to dominate. So, is this the most powerful Android phone of 2025? Let's break it all down. Starting with the display, and wow, Vivo has gone all out. The X200 Ultra features a stunning 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED panel, with a sharp QHD Plus resolution, buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, and HDR10 Plus support. Whether you're watching high-res HDR content, editing photos, or gaming at ultra settings, this panel is a feast for your eyes. Colors pop, blacks are deep, and brightness levels are excellent even under harsh sunlight. And thanks to LTPO tech, the refresh rate dynamically adjusts from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, balancing smoothness with battery efficiency. This isn't just a flagship screen, it's one of the best displays on any phone right now. Under the hood, the Vivo X200 Ultra packs the brand new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, Qualcomm's most powerful processor to date. This is paired with blazing fast storage and RAM, making multitasking, gaming, and AI-driven features incredibly responsive. From high-performance games like Genshin Impact to 4K video rendering and real-time AI translation, this phone handles everything you throw at it without breaking a sweat. It's not just fast. It's intelligently fast, thanks to Qualcomm's improved AI engine and Vivo's software optimizations. Here's where the X200 Ultra really flexes: the cameras. It sports a triple lens setup featuring a 50MP primary sensor with gimbal optical image stabilization for rock-solid video and crystal-clear shots, a 50MP ultra-wide lens that captures vast landscapes and group photos with zero-edge distortion, and the star of the show, a massive 200MP periscope telephoto lens with Zeiss optics and up to 3.7x optical zoom. The results? Simply incredible. From crisp daylight shots to detailed night mode captures, the X200 Ultra delivers professional-grade photography in your pocket. Zeiss tuning and the custom VS1 chip also enhance color accuracy, contrast, and image processing, especially in low-light scenarios. If you're into smartphone photography, this is the phone to beat. The Vivo X200 Ultra is powered by a large 6,000 mAh battery, giving you all-day usage, even with QHD Plus, and 120 Hz enabled. And when it's time to charge, you've got 90W wired fast charging that takes you from 0 to 100 in under 30 minutes. 40W wireless charging, which is faster than most wired solutions out there. Plus reverse wireless charging to power your earbuds or smartwatch on the go. Design-wise, the X200 Ultra is an absolute stunner. It features a premium glass back, aluminum alloy frame, and a sleek curved design that feels solid yet elegant in hand. But it's not just about looks. This phone is IP69 rated, offering extreme dust resistance and protection against high-pressure water jets, something even most flagships don't offer. So whether you're caught in the rain or working in tough environments, this phone is ready for anything. On the software side, you're getting Origin OS 5, based on Android 15. It brings smooth animations, customizable widgets, improved multitasking, and intuitive UI tweaks. It's fast, fluid, and feels premium, exactly what you'd expect from a top-tier flagship. Vivo has also integrated deep AI enhancements that power real-time transcription, intelligent object removal in photos, and dynamic scene optimization in the camera. Let's not forget the bonus features that push the Vivo X200 Ultra ahead of the curve. Advanced satellite communication. Stay connected even in remote areas. In-display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Ultra-fast, ultra-secure. High-end haptics. Dual stereo speakers, Wi-Fi 7, and blazing fast 5G. So, is the Vivo X200 Ultra worth the hype? If you want cutting-edge performance, next-gen photography, a jaw-dropping display, and future-proof connectivity, this phone absolutely delivers. This is not just Vivo's best phone ever, it might just be the best Android flagship of the year. What do you think about the Vivo X200 Ultra? Would you pick this over Samsung or OnePlus? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more epic tech reviews and flagship battles. This is Tech Explorer, and I'll see you in the next one.